We are doing it live.
Oh, speaking of live. Speaking of live.
Literally live.
I'm live again. I feel like all I do is live stream now.
Pretty much.
On, send me a link to the YouTubes.
Oh, you need a link. Yeah. Send you a link. Anyways, welcome to the
just drop it in the content room in the Discord. I know. I'm a big pain. I know.
I have to talk to the 7 million people that are watching this right now. There we go. Welcome to the first inaugural episode of Rails Therapy, where we're probably going to be doing Rails and stuff because it's therapeutic for us, was the idea. Yeah. So I am Andrew Katz, handles like, wait, I'll get it. There. I'm back on Twitter. And my co-host, as always, is Trey Robrock.
High five.
That guy. Wait, it's mirrored. Hold on.
Other side. Yep, other side. Oh, you're almost there. No. Okay. I hope no one watches this.
Yeah. This is solid. I think Katie might be watching.
Why is my stream so bad? Is my video coming across bad for you?
It looks bad on here. I thought it was just you.
What's the deal? What's the situation?
I don't know. Anyways, so what we're doing today is, I guess context is not that project. Is we've been working on Rails stuff a long time, and every time we start a new Rails project, we're like, oh, we got to do the same, like 17 things to get it set up, and so they have things, whatever. We have our way of doing it. So we made this gem, the Founders Toolkit, because we are founders. We found stuff like explorers. And so we have this gem, and it's it's got some cool things that we like to have in our project. Got auth. There's some block job stuff, monitoring things that we like to use all over the place. So it's like our little building blocks here.
It's our Lego kit. We should have called it Legos or something.
Founders Legos.
Man, we messed that one up.
Okay, we got to cancel the stream.
Yep. Start it over.
Yep. Okay, so we're doing that. And it's really cool, but there's some things that we would like as essentially just, there's like a starting version of things that we don't necessarily want in here, but we think would be good, like as a starting point. So like certain views and stuff like that, it'd be a good starting point that'll end up changing and things like that. So we thought, well, it'd be cool to build like an installer or like a generator thing. But we've never done that. So here we are. We're doing it for the first time. Yeah. So I got to pull up the Rails generator thing because that was how I found it.
Oh, you're so unprepared.
Yeah, this is the first podcast I've ever ran. Am I actually running this though? Is the question. Cool. Should I actually? No, I should. That'd be bad. I was gonna say, should I share my screen? The whole screen. All right. I got the Rails guide up because I've never done this before. But Rails generators are sweet. Wait, you're seeing my screen through the stream, right? And that's it?
Yep, that's it. The one.
All right. Okay, then I should do this. Hey, Phil time. I'm trying to get this up.
Fill time. So if you guys don't know, I'm Trey. This is Andrew. When we say we're founders, we founded this company called Greenbits. It was in the cannabis space, which was a crazy place to build software. It started at 7 years ago.
Oh my God, I'm old.
I was just talking about that on the podcast last week, which if you're not checking that out, Financial Illiterates on YouTube. And I shameless plug my stuff everywhere. So might as well check out my channel too, Trobrock. The headphones Andrew's wearing throw a Meet Kevin vibe. Yeah. I mean, we got Ryan Porter in the house. And yes, Ryan, they do. Except his seem to be working, which are different than Meet Kevin's. He's always got dead headphones.
Yeah, I mean, well, here's the thing. You could either
those AirPods Pro Max, they're really good though. I've heard really good things about them.
I like them, except for if you want headphones that stay connected to your stuff. What are you rocking, dude?
Are you ready? I'm still using these
almost.
Status Audio.
That was a good feeling, though.
CB1s.
Okay, we did it.
You did it.
We did it. Look at that.
Look at that. You figured out how to share a screen.
Yeah, we did it. All right, cool. All right, what were we talking about doing for these things? I know we talked about just the views. Was the big thing probably for like the session.
Dude, the number one thing that we need is we needed to install Hotwire and Tailwind.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Easy first start, and I do it on every project.
Yep. Okay. Okay. The generator does stuff where it modifies files, right?
Yeah, we need it. And honestly, like you should just look at the Hotwire generator because they do that. They modify the gem file and write files. We needed to modify the gem file and then run some commands. This is literally all we need to do.
Task. Oh, Hotwire task, right? Install stimulus, install turbo install. All right, so turbo Rails.
By the way, that browser's super tiny. I can't read anything.
Yeah.
Oh, that's better.
How's that?
Yeah.
Did it. Yeah, I think I gotta next stream I'll probably put this on my MacBook screen or something and then just share that or something like that. What am I doing here? So
tasks, tasks,
tasks,
go quick,
turbo tasks, rake. All right, we did it. Man, they just like really delegate everything out.
Run turbo install template, namespace install. Install, and it does some stuff. It runs other rake
Rails
tasks.
app template.
There was an install directory back one. I wonder if there's more stuff in there. Yeah, in there. Oh yeah, like that guy.
Oh wow, this really just gsub stuff.
Yeah, those are the commands it uses.
Neat.
Yeah, it's cool stuff.
Say, wow, cool.
Yeah. You can say stuff and comment lines.
Is there something like some dependency that we would need to like get some of that stuff in here?
I have no idea.
Or do we just get that?
We don't know. Like, where does that come from?
I don't know. We probably need like a rake task.
Yeah, write a rake task and type say and see what happens.
Tasks.
I mean, this is how we code. We're not smart. We just try stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lib tasks. I'm just going to call this install.rake. We're going to install rakes.
The world.
Yeah. Namespace. Founders toolkit. That's long. Install in the toolkit. Hey. If you ever wanted a Rails podcast where they literally write rake tasks live,
you've come to the right place. Sign up with Andu227 for your referral code.
I mean, if you use BlockFi.
You know what I love is in my StreamYard account for the podcast, I have one of those banners that you can pop up, and one of them is just permanently Andu227. Because it comes up so often now, even when you're not in there.
Okay. All right, that just invoked. So we're gonna say, "Hi, Mom."
Yeah, say hi, Mom. Yeah, because "Hello World" is so overrated.
Yeah, hi, Mom. Rake. All right, do I need to do something to auto load these or something, or does that just work?
Try it.
Rake.
Hashtag Rails. Just try it.
Yeah. Install. Don't know how to build it. Yeah, I'm sure there's something about.
We need to do like there's like a Rails engine that installs this stuff. See what the engine is for Turbo Rails, because we're gonna actually want to run this in the Rails app itself. There should just be a file called engine somewhere.
Engine.
Pro tip for those that don't know: he just hit T to do that file lookup.
If you're ever on GitHub in a repo, and you just want to go find something.
Wow.
T does this.
I'm realizing I just spent so much time yesterday getting autoload working for our gem, and I never thought to go look at their engine.
And this is doing it differently?
No, it just would have been a lot faster.
Oh, yeah.
There's probably some tasks in here or something somewhere. Maybe.
Nah.
Well, that's cool. What happens if you hook this up in a Rails project and then run the rake test? Does that auto magic work or something?
I don't know.
Eager load namespaces. Wonder what that does. Focus.
Yeah, writing generators, installers, and rake tasks.
Yeah, I haven't written a rake task in a very long time.
Yeah, me neither.
I just end up writing scripts. Rake tasks always seem to like add so much extra, but maybe I'm just wrong.
Probably, you could be wrong. You're probably wrong.
I mean, I'm most definitely wrong, but so while we're waiting for Rails to start.
So, what's going on with you, Trey?
Oh, just living the dream.
I heard,
unemployed.
Speaking of founders, I heard that you are a successful startup founder now.
Yeah, I guess once your business sells, you're now like looked upon as successful. Apparently, you're also like everyone also thinks you like when the business sells, they just like truck up a giant pile of cash or something.
You didn't get the truck? The truck pulled up to me today. It just had a pile of cash. They said, "Yeah, this is for the Greenbit sale." There's a bunch of cash.
No.
Did you not get that?
No, I didn't.
Oh, man. They must have sent it to the wrong person because
they just gave me stock that I don't have yet.
No, they gave me straight cash.
Man, they gave you cash. They're just giving me back Monopoly money. Which let's be clear, I'm not bummed about that. So no, but it is funny. Sure. Everyone's like, I literally had a guy ask me today. He's like, "Oh, so you're probably sitting on a big pile of cash now?" I'm like, "Nah, still broke."
Yeah, it's all just play money until it's real.
I mean that's a factual statement.
Hey, so this
the good news is NPM is as good as it ever has been.
Yeah, we're gonna go 3 splits because it's too many. Because I think this is probably already. Oh no, it's Rails therapy. Oh man, I'm totally gonna push this as a repo too. This will be nice for the podcast to have something.
I don't know though. One of those thousands of viewers might have went and stole it already. Such a popular live stream.
Repo.
No, it's too late. It's too late.
Rails therapy.
It's going to create a directory, right?
Rainbows. No, I didn't.
I hate that command because it creates directory.
What? Is it really?
Unless they don't do that now. Oh, they don't do it anymore.
They must have detected it used to be already.
Yeah, and that's what I thought. That's how I thought it should have worked in the past. But it used to be it would always create a folder, and it drove me insane because I'd never thought about it until I already made the folder. Okay,
all right,
cool. There we go.
Founders Toolkit path up one. Founders Toolkit. Pro tip: keep all your projects in the same directory, and you can always just go up one, and then you found it.
That is true. I started organizing mine by company and then project, which I don't hate, except for sometimes when I need to access stuff from other companies, and I'm like, I don't know where that one was.
Which company is that? No, mine's just a giant trash pile of projects.
That's what I used to have. I feel like that's the way I should go back to. It's just giant trash pile.
Oh, dude, you know what there probably is? This isn't going to work. I doubt it. Hey, that did work. But the same.
Hey, so it does load the tasks.
That's pretty cool. I was thinking we're going to have
new information.
All right, so where does say and all that stuff come from?
That is a good question. Go look at their rake task again. I wonder if they load something in there.
Let's go to the asset pipeline one. Wow, it's got a lot more stuff.
No, I think the one that calls this is where we should go.
Okay.
This is the actual task.
Lib. Hey, that's not working well. All right, I'm just going back this way. Lib, tasks, turbo tasks. It doesn't have anything.
But where's that turbo install Webpacker one? Oh, it's right there. Run turbo install template. What is that?
Rails app template location.
Template. What on earth is this? What's that app template thing?
I don't know.
Rails app template. That's probably what we need to run.
Rails app template. If you're watching and you don't know anything about software engineering, welcome. I don't know why you're here, but that's cool. Happy to have you. If you're not familiar with software engineering, it's the process of searching for something you don't know, finding the answer, and then writing that into a file.
I actually really enjoy that this is happening because so many people, like, you tell them that you're a software engineer, like, oh, you must be really smart. No, I'm just pretty good at using Google. This is actually how I build everything.
Yeah. Dude, this is a thing. They just have like this template thing.
That's how they do it. Oh, that's pretty neat. Okay, so we have to invoke that task with a template file then. Neat.
Yeah. All right.
Oh,
so
cool. Okay.
So
just copy their code and paste it into yours. Except rename it like run install template instead of run turbo install template, and then then problem solved.
Dude, this is a crazy long single line though.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of that. I'm not a fan of that.
DHH, what's up with this line?
Yeah, I'm not a fan of the super long line.
All right, yeah. So so def.
Yeah, so yeah.
Run install template path.
Yep.
See, wow, they got a lot of stuff. You know what?
Yeah, I was gonna say, why are you typing all this?
I like to type stuff sometimes, just so like it gets in my brain.
Nope.
But not this time.
Nope, not ever.
Yeah, that's really long. RB config Ruby app template location. Yeah, it goes up one path. That works just like
it goes up one and then /install /path.
Yep. Okay. And I actually got that. Nice.
Oh, cool. Look at that. Done and done.
All right. The first thing we're talking about, was the gem file stuff. So that's like the
first thing we're talking about is saying hi, mom.
Oh yeah. All right. So install. What's happening? Hi, RB. This thing says, hi, mom. Also, mom, if you're watching, hi.
Hi.
Hi, mom.
Hellos.
Thanks for being proud of me.
My mom's not watching. I think that about all of my social media content. I hope my mom's not watching.
Honestly, in terms of obscenities per minute, this is probably the lowest we've ever had on a podcast.
I mean, that is fair. That's fair. I mean, if you want monetization, you gotta not be bad. But we're not ever going to get monetization because it's going to be like.
No, I am.
Today's like peak number of viewers, 2, and one of them is me.
Look at that. We just said hi to my mom.
Hey, look at that.
All right, cool. So
no, your mom.
Hey man. Hey man. Hey man. Abort. Okay, neat. I like the emoji. Okay, cool. So that is not there. So we were gonna do call it gems.
Yeah, that sounds like a thing.
Also, let me know if I'm going too fast on this stuff. Not for you, but because you're watching, I'm not watching. We're trying to cram as much as we can, as much content as we can into this 3-hour stream we got going.
Exactly. And for any of the other content, you can sign up for our course down. But just kidding. Neither of us have the patience to put a course together.
No, but we will. I will push this public, so anyone can check out.
Is it not public?
No, I mean, I guess this project already is, but I'll do the
the code, right? I was thinking about the screen. Yeah.
Oh yeah, no, I'll push the screen public.
Yeah. Too. If anyone wants to come on and ask coding questions or do any coding with us,
please do. We're so lonely.
We have nothing.
Have Trey.
I mean, we both just quit our jobs, so it's like, what else are we gonna do? I mean, technically, you have another job, but you did have 2, so you have 50% less jobs now.
I do have 50% less jobs now. That is true.
So
GSub file, gem file.
I don't.
Gem.
Do we need GSub or? Oh no, yeah.
I don't know. I was just doing literally what they have there.
But
I want to say something. Say, install. I want insert into file.
That's what I was looking for. Because the other one, they actually remove a gem too.
Do they have one where they add a gem in a specific spot? Because you could just add it to the file, right? But
they do add it to a specific spot.
File
because it never ends up at the end of the file when I run it.
Oh, look, they have this thing after.
Yeah, there you go.
Imports.
Yep, that.
Before head, after this thing. All right.
Yeah, so look at where they install the Turbo Rails or Hotwired something. I don't know. Something.
Hotwire.
They do stuff.
Insert into file. Okay, I don't see anything here. Oh, this is turbo, but I wonder if turbo's already there, so they just have to uncomment stuff. No.
Yeah, turbo Rails is already there because this comes from the gem, right?
Yeah, duh. Yeah. Obviously, yes.
Yep.
Yes.
There you go.
Yes.
Got it.
All right. Yep. All right. Insert into gem file. Gem. Hot wire.
-Rails.
Yes. Thank you. I mean, just do that. Rake. Founders.
Oh, we have to put it in the right place. Close enough, at least.
Where is the right place?
Open up your Rails gem file.
You do before group development test, or before. What if you don't? I mean, I guess we'll have that. I was just about to ask a question. What if they don't?
Or you could like put it after gem Rails. Like, you probably shouldn't use this if you don't have Rails included.
Yeah, I mean, I like that. Also,
it just takes a regex, so.
Yeah, that's nice. So you just do capital R after gem Rails.
There you go.
Dude, this is rad.
Yeah, most of these come from Thor, if you've used that before.
Oh, yeah. Yes, dude, Thor's great. I mean, when he like takes his hammer and he just
Yeah, so he's the one that actually created most of these like insert into file and say and things.
Who's Thor?
No, but really the Thor CLI tool.
Oh yeah, it is great.
The Ruby one. That's pretty much where most of these come from. That's why I recognize them. All right, done.
Sweet. So in our gem file now, after Rails, right.
It's close.
Right.
It's pretty close.
Right.
Pretty close. Pretty close.
Okay, so we definitely need a.
Well, you can make a so the regex needs to match to the rest of the line, and then just throw a new line at the beginning of the gem hardwire Rails, right?
Yeah.
And probably at the end too. Yeah.
After so
and then do like dot plus dollar. Justin is correct. Thor did use code Andrew227 for YadaBank. That's actually why Andrew was such a big fan of YadaBank, is because Thor signed up with Andrew227.
So. Yeah, which makes me a unofficial Avenger. I'll also add.
That is that's true. I mean, it's technically
you can look it up. If you find anything on the internet that says otherwise, link to me. Otherwise,
it's wrong. Yeah, it's wrong. Everyone knows everything on the internet is wrong. Oh, hi, Katie. Be careful what you say now.
Oh, shoot. Don't go back in the stream. Don't go back in the stream. I just made her go back in the stream. Hey,
Rails Avenger.
Rails Avenger. Okay, hold on. Cancel everything. The new podcast name is Rails Avenger. Okay.
Just Rails change your name.
Rails Avengers. Okay, but I really like the rainbow. Actually, we still could do that. All right. Rails Avengers. Damn it, that's good. Okay, so because this matched twice, and inserted it.
Thanks, Justin. I now managed to steal it from Andrew. Oh, right. We were
look, it like put it here too. Oh my gosh.
Oh, yeah, that's fair. Do the caret at the beginning then of the regex too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. Okay. We'll figure this out eventually.
No,
hey, you know what I like? You know what? Most like engineering development stuff on YouTube is like scripted. Like they've already done it once and they're like, and then you do this and then you do that. This is how it really happens.
Dude, I just realized
how you really do it.
Just like put it after Founders Toolkit. Right?
Why do you have to have such good ideas?
I mean, and at that point, it's also alphabetical more so than putting it after Rails.
I mean, that's fair. Yeah, that is fair. Yep.
All right. Neat. Get rid of the extra line, Rubicop. Thank you.
Boom. Done.
So
done and done.
You'll notice a lot of this stuff. Okay, so fixers are the greatest thing.
Bye, Justin.
So now with like linting and everything like that, Rubicop, I swear, like half the code that we commit now, you don't even write because it just fixes it.
See, the thing is, like, When you start in engineering, everything matters. Later on, all that matters is getting it to work, and you just get lazy about everything else. So then you write tools to make it so that you can be as lazy as you want.
Yeah.
That's just what we did. I do love the Rails Therapy logo. I just saw it again. That's so funny.
You see how it's like literally on top of the Rails, like the train track.
That's so funny. I enjoy that. All right. So now we need to run that task.
Yeah. So there is.
I'm trying to execute stuff.
Yeah, I was looking to see if they have run bin bundle. Okay, cool. So do they just? Can I just do like a run bin Rails rake? What's a hotwire install?
There's a Rails command. Just run Rails command hotwire :install.
Hotwire install. Oh, should we? No, they don't do that. I was gonna say, should we do something where okay, no. I was just gonna see like, did they? Hold on, I can English. Give me a second. No, where like I was seeing if they check to see if it's already in the gem file or something like that before they add it. But that's such a like. No, don't need that.
No, run it once. Don't run it more than once. Problem solved.
Yeah. Here's what I'm gonna do though. Gem file. So I'm
gem file.
What?
There you go.
File?
Done.
File. But I'm gonna add this stuff. Rails init, and then. Hey, that's not how commands work. Got it. Okay, so now we actually have a clean directory, so I can run it, stash it, and we can keep doing it over and over again.
Do it live. Doesn't get any liver than this. This is the most public live demo I've ever done. And what's funny is it's not just a demo; it's also the development of it, which coincidentally is how most demos work. So maybe it is.
Well, as far as our demos go, this one's working the best.
That's fair.
Look at that, dude. It installed Turbo and all that stuff. That was really cool.
Did it? Wow, that actually worked?
It just worked.
Huh.
Magic. All right.
That's cool.
Cool. So now install.
Not just the same thing, but with Tailwind.
Tained Tailwind. Hey, work. I'm not working right now. So
you should install Tailwind before Hotwire.
Install Tailwind CSS. Hey, is it
only because that keeps our gem file more alphabetically sorted?
Oh yeah,
it's Tailwind Rails.
Yeah, I wasn't sure if the Tailwind Rails, if it Tailwind CSS Rails is the project.
Oh, I almost messed that all up.
Bundle Tailwind CSS Rails. Okay, but I wanted to see this to see if they put a space between it.
Oh, I see. Otherwise, people would get massively confused.
They'd be like, "Wait, is it Tailwind space?
This isn't the right Tailwind."
Or what am I doing? Copy this. Put this here. All right. Add Tailwind CSS Rails after Founders Toolkit, and then Rails command. I'm assuming they have something. Tailwind CSS install.
This is built by the same people.
Tailwind CSS install.
You notice that gem is not under Tailwind. That's under Rails.
Oh, right.
Yeah. Yeah, so Tailwind people didn't make that. The Rails people did.
Is Basecamp using Tailwind?
I think so.
Hey.
View page. Where's my view page source? Oh, open page in browser.
I mean, it could be still. They're just not using. They're not putting the classes.
Well, maybe Basecamp isn't, but I bet Hey is.
Well, I went to the Hey marketing site, which actually their marketing site. If possible, it's not. I just assumed everything was Rails.
Who knows? KHH, if you end up listening to this podcast, would you come on the podcast first and then let us know?
Yeah. Hey, so that didn't work.
Well, you probably typed the gem wrong.
I mean, I probably did. Tailwind CSS. I typed it right that time.
Wait, we have to bundle install. I mean.
Oh.
Yeah. How did the other one work?
Was Hotwire already there?
I don't know. Is it? No way.
Hold on.
I don't have any clue how that works.
Gem file.
Maybe it was still in like your gem cache or something.
Oh yeah, probably.
Yeah, so we might actually want to do these just like not separate Tailwind and Hotwire. We might want to like insert both a gem file, bundle install, and then run both commands. Yeah.
Yeah. So let's do not that. Say add gems. Add the gems. Then we'll install. Actually, this makes more sense because actually doing the install.
Oh, there you go. Yep.
So it was like.
I think you should just
run
bundle. Yeah. Seems like that worked really well.
Or installed. Did I type it wrong?
Huh?
Do I have to run install explicitly? I thought bundle just worked by itself.
I don't know about that bin thing. I hate that they use that bin thing. Mine always fails because they use bin/bundle.
Oh, you know, I had a diff here. Let me commit this. Remove this. All right. Now let's try. Hey, thunder.
Whoa.
Did you actually hear that?
Yeah, I thought it was thunder here, which is weird because the sun's shining. But I grew up in Florida, so that actually didn't freak me out all that much. But yeah, no, it was like, that was an epic thunder sound. I hope everyone enjoyed that. I'm the only one streaming it, though, so they didn't. Even your wife gave up on you, dude.
I didn't think she'd enjoy this, to be honest. But now I can talk all.
What's not to enjoy? I mean, I'm Trobrock, a.k.a. Rails Avenger.
Man, okay, so you're the Rails Avenger? Man, I need a cool name, too.
No, it's okay. You can have it back.
No. I think you can be the Rails Avenger.
You know I don't like extra crap after my name. Just Trobrock on everything. That's my thing. I'm Trobrock everywhere.
Edit name.
Whoa, a little behind the scenes peek here.
The Rails Avenger. Oh, dude, it does show.
Yeah.
Cool. Not the Rails Avenger. All right, there we go. Now we can get back. Cool. So it installed Tailwind and installed Hotwire. That was sweet.
Nice. We're done. We did it.
Almost. All right, that's a good start.
That is a good start. Yeah. The other thing that we do, we like create current attributes. We generally create like a user model. I think those are two pretty easy things to add onto this thing.
Yeah, we could do that.
Or like common models.
Stash. Okay. Yeah, let's do that. Let's see.
And the session controller and views. Those might be a little bit more.
Okay, so install gems. Let's do install current.
Yeah.
So this is going to do creating current.
Yeah.
Do we actually need to? I mean, I guess we can. Like, do we need to say all this stuff?
Why not? It's cool to say.
Yeah, Rails command.
When you're typing say.
Yeah. Oh, actually, this is probably a good place for the generator stuff. But then,
what's the difference in?
No, because this actually adds.
No. Yeah.
Well, we could. Yeah, because these are really custom. I was gonna say we could build a generator.
No.
And then you run the generator from this, but that seems so.
The thing is, like, we don't cut in the customization that we do is like so custom it doesn't fit a generator very well.
Well, do they have anything where they're like actually creating files in this stuff? Well, actually, the Tailwind stuff does. What's the Tailwind do? Oh, it's actually I have it open still. Let's see, lib task. I actually have it installed. It's probably up there.
Yeah, it's probably the exact same structure.
Yeah.
Hey, look, they called theirs run install template here too.
And they actually
wonder which project did it first. Probably the other one. Okay. So it's probably in the install directory then.
Yeah, install.
With Webpacker.
Directory. Oh, so it creates a directory. Okay, this they start just doing.
Yeah, they run that Tailwind CSS and init, which actually creates the files.
Oh, where is that? I missed that.
10.
Point with your mouse.
10. I can't point with my mouse.
Oh, but that's a Node thing.
You know that I can't point with my mouse, right?
I know. Yeah.
Okay.
I know. Yeah.
I think that's what's creating the files that I'm thinking of, though.
Well, poop.
Did they create any other? No, they don't create any others just like from scratch.
Asset pipeline stuff
that I know of.
That's all insert into file. Style sheets. What do they do with this? I mean, they have to put the style sheet somewhere, right?
Generate.
DHH fixed adding style sheets by default. What's this stuff? Webpack style sheets path.
Dude, did you know that there's a gem command? Adds a gem entry for the supplied gem to the generated application's gem file.
Shut up. Shut up. Really? All right. So
you still have to bundle install yourself, but apparently. So why don't they use that?
Tailwind CSS Rails like that? Really?
I mean, that's what this documentation's saying.
All right. No? Unless I broke something.
Yeah, what we have works.
Oh, I think there's something just messed up here. Maybe I just need to rebundle. Yeah, but that's so nice. No, not rebundle. I want to run this. Could not find. Yeah. Okay, so did it? Does it still work? I think it's just like the getting this project in a good place to run it again. Huh.
Spring stop.
Oh man.
I don't know. Spring stop.
Spring stop
is the equivalent of Rails. Did you try turning it off and back on again?
I mean, that did fix it.
And it normally fixes it.
I'll just stop. So we're gonna add everything, stash it, bundle, spring stop. I mean, there you go. Shit. That does work. That is better. All right. Cool. Do all the things. Cool. Okay, so pretty current. I was trying to see, they had see they're adding a new file.
Looks like there might be a copy file command.
Oh.
That's what this blog post is indicating.
Okay. So then we can do that.
Oh, you know what? I bet you would just have access to Thor and all their commands, which there's a copy file command.
Yeah, that makes sense.
I bet you they just have some extra stuff on top of it.
Mm-hmm.
Which, speaking of, like Rubicop config, standard, all that stuff is another thing.
Yeah, that's true.
But let's focus on this one.
Yep.
Yeah. So
right, what I wanted to pull up was this thing. Do I need to like? I'm horrible when it comes to. Actually, I'm gonna comment this out for now. When it comes to like paths and stuff, and like when it's needed and things like that. So like, do you know, looking at the Thor stuff, if this copy file, when you like, can we provide like a relative path?
My guess is that's gonna run. Yeah, relative to the file.
Oops.
That it's at. Yeah, that's what I got too. I haven't clicked.
Oops. All right. Load the relative path to the source root, the relative path to the destination root.
There you
go. Okay. So
you just put current in the install directory, right?
Yeah, I put it in this like in a templates folder. So like anything that run here like separates from the templates.
You don't want to go up here because you're already in install.
I don't want to go. I don't want to go up.
Yeah,
that's true.
Yeah,
I just want to go down.
Whoa,
that's what.
This is. I think you're thinking about a different social media network.
I may be preventing us from getting.
So copying file template current to app models current.
Does that work? Like,
I mean, why wouldn't it?
Well, I'm just like, is it so smart enough to know that it's like the relative?
I don't know.
Like the path here to path there?
I don't know. This is how I code Rails. That's what I love about it. Yeah, I don't know. This is how I'd like it to work. Yeah, look at that. Oh, look, your template. Wait, Rails generators. Oh, there's like a source paths thing.
Huh.
Or source paths. Go look at what were we just looking at? The Tailwind install one, the rake task. See if they do anything with source paths. Actions. Here's the code. Source paths.
CSS.
How do I like modify the source paths is what I want to know. Eric Yehuda. Eric Huda. Eric. Wiki. Source paths. We'll get this. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Probably.
I mean, how hard is it to copy files?
Source is source paths the thing in that context? If you just like print source paths,
I just
yeah, is that a thing?
Yeah,
it is. Try and just push onto that.
Actually, I want to do that. Actually, no, right here. Source paths. What do we have to do? Like a.
Oh yeah, you're bad at directories. I forgot.
I don't. Yeah.
File.expand path. Where are we going to? We're going to file.expand path, and the first argument is going to be templates. The second argument is __ all lowercase dir __. That. I think
is it the other way around, or it really is that order?
It really is
weird, dude.
The second one is the is like the starting path.
Oh, okay. Nice.
Did that work?
Shut the front door.
Nice.
That's cool. So cool.
That's dope. This is gonna make I'm gonna make even more projects now.
Yeah, it just is so easy to spin.
This seems like overkill, but like I've created 5 new Rails projects in the last like 5 weeks. So like this, even though like a lot of these steps are super simple, it's exhausting. Yeah, and then include founders toolkit, something auth secureable current. I think that's what we did.
Current attributes.
Current attributes. That makes more sense.
This project is also known as the how many namespaces can we add for one thing project.
Yeah, exactly. Well, we thought about making it into a bunch of different gems, but the overhead in creating all those gems every time we wanted to pull out one little tiny thing that was conceptually by itself, it was like ridiculous. So this was the alternative. All right, we got 10 minutes to wrap up.
All right. Cool. That does. I'm gonna put it. Dude, that's so cool.
That is really awesome.
That is super cool. All right. So now So we got current. I will add this back. Actually, I'll keep that there for now. Okay, what else do we want to do?
I say we do the Rubicop and standard and stuff, because I think that's a little simpler than like generating a user model.
Rubicop YAML.
We can save the user model for next time we work on this, whether that's on the stream or not. I'm sure it won't be, because I'm sure you're just going to keep going on this.
No, I'm going to stop. I'll stop. Linters. Say add Rubicop config. Oh, we actually need to gem Rubicop. Okay, so here's a question for your fancy stuff. I actually want to add this to the dev section of the gem file.
Yeah, so put it gem group development do gem Rubicop. Duh. Yeah, gem underscore group.
Oh, okay.
Symbolized.
I mean, obviously.
It's a symbol.
Yeah. I know. I'm going back.
Probably doesn't matter, but it does to me. That's
pretty cool.
Then do the bundle install thing.
Yes.
Don't want to forget about that.
Is it run? Right?
It was run bin bundle install.
Yeah. Bundle install and then copy file.
Rubicop.yaml.
But we need this thing. There's probably a better place to put this, but for now,
I think there is.
Really?
No, unless I don't know. I almost feel like we should just put all this into one install file. But
you think so?
But
I mean, it is all with one command. Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Refactor off stream, and then we'll come back. Cool. Yeah, start with Rubicop. And this just needs to add to the task.
Dude, and then you know what you need to do? You need to run a Rubicop-A.
No, hey, just automatically get a good.
But don't though, because it'll probably break things. This is silly. This is gonna make it so easy.
Yeah. Let me copy our. Oops, not that. You only need your inherit, right? Because you updated it.
Yes.
Lib install templates. Rubicop, this thing. Git and add, snatched all the stuff. And then let's go with that for now, and then come back to standard another time. Let's just uncomment all the things. Let it ride. Yeah, this should definitely be refactored. We got gems, but that's not installing Rubicop. So, yeah, I'm starting to think what you're thinking. We could probably put this all in one.
Yeah.
Man, automation. Automate all the things.
This is really cool. The number of times it's going to run bundle.
Oh, yeah.
That's another reason for merging them.
Yeah,
we could optimize that a little bit.
Dang, dude, that's cool.
Run Rubicop on this without the -A, just Rubicop. Make sure it works.
Yeah, there's a few things.
And it pulled the custom YAML. Oh, there's another thing. Is putting that in the git ignore.
Oh yeah, we gotta just do the git ignore. Yep, there's your.
Yeah, the .rubicop-star into git ignore.
Cool. Nice.
Look at that. It worked. And our first live stream was a success. And we got something working and it didn't go horribly wrong. So that was cool. That never happens.
Yeah, we did it.
It was the most successful live demo I've ever done in my entire life.
Yeah, live coming up with generators and stuff like that.
Yeah. Cool.
We did it.
If anyone outside of people that we know, because I don't care about you guys, if anyone watches this and enjoys it, let us know. And you know, I'm like the guy that does the YouTube videos. So hit that like button, subscribe if you're not already, and share it. No,
smash that bell so you know.
None of the other stuff matters. Just share it. Share it.
Yeah.
Share it.
Share it, especially with DHH.
Share it.
Share it.
I was waiting for you to
share it so he'll stop doing that. Please share it.
For you to hit the end stream button.
Is this where I hit the end broadcast?
It was a while ago, yeah. Bye. I'm gonna get creepier. If you just we'll take this to the max here.
Oh, it's so soulful.
New video releasing on my channel Monday and Friday.